Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixing Expert, where we bring you the best home improvement tips and tricks. Today we have an exciting topic that's going to transform the way you think about flooring carpet tiles. Whether you're a homeowner looking to spruce up your living space or a DIY enthusiast ready for a new project, carpet tiles offer a versatile and practical solution. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about carpet tiles, from their features and benefits to the different types available and how to install them. Features of carpet tiles. Let's start with the features that make carpet tiles stand out. One of the key advantages is their modular nature. Unlike traditional carpets, carpet tiles come in small, individual squares, making them easy to handle and install. This also means that if one section gets damaged, you can replace it without replacing the entire floor. Additionally, carpet tiles are known for their durability and stain resistance. Most modern carpet tiles are made with high-quality materials that repel stains and withstand heavy foot traffic, making them an excellent choice for busy areas of your home. Benefits of carpet tiles. Now, let's delve into the benefits of choosing carpet tiles for your flooring needs. First and foremost, carpet tiles are incredibly versatile. You can mix and match colors and patterns to create unique designs, giving you the freedom to express your style. Plus, if you ever want to change the look of a room, it's as easy as swapping out a few tiles. Another significant benefit is the ease of maintenance. Traditional carpets can be a hassle to clean, but with carpet tiles, you can simply replace a stained or damaged tile instead of wrestling with an entire carpet roll. Types of carpet tiles. Now that we've covered the features and benefits, let's talk about the different types of carpet tiles available. There are various types of carpet tile, including loop pile, cut pile, and combination pile. Each type has its own set of characteristics, so you can choose the one that best suits your preferences and needs. Installation process. So, how do you install carpet tiles? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Prepare your subfloor. Step 2. Lay out your tiles to plan the design. Step 3. Apply adhesive or use peel and stick backing. And finally, Step 4. Press the tiles into place, and you're done. It's a simple and straightforward process that even beginners can tackle. Tips and tricks for a successful installation. Before we wrap up, let's go over some essential tips and tricks to ensure a successful carpet tile installation. Remember to let your tiles acclimate to the room's temperature for at least 24 hours before installation. Start laying tiles from the center of the room for a balanced look, and always use a sharp knife for precision cuts. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to carpet tiles. Whether you're looking for a stylish and practical flooring solution or planning a DIY project, carpet tiles might just be the answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy flooring!